Hi, my name is Mark, and we're going to look at how to write a legal memorandum. Legal memorandums are legal documents used internally by solicitors, attorneys, lawyers, either for a company, on behalf of a company, or internally themselves. And the purpose of this is that they are writing a summary, a legal summary of a situation that is happening. That situation can vary from a lawsuit from one company to another, personal lawsuits, company legal activity. It could even be a legal binding document which indicates that one person in the company is doing some form of activity and wants to make sure that that activity is supported by the company, like a legally binding agreement. Either which way, these documents are used and can be used in the process of law, and therefore they have to be structured and formulated in such a way that it's a formal document and it has to be sanctioned by the official lawyer and the official recipient of that activity, the managing director of a company, the employee within an organisation. So the people who are involved in this need to formally agree that that is the state of action that they are taking. So this memorandum needs to have a subject, an issue. So a lawsuit, for example. The title is very clearly put. Who is involved in this? What is the situation? Okay. Then there would be an analysis of this, an action plan. There'll be various points whereby the activity of this specific situation is being documented and is formulated in such a way that the various steps involved in the procedure have been clarified and agreed by all parties involved. There are a number of steps that are involved in this particular legal memorandum. The first one is what we would call the issue, the statement of the actual tangible situation, what we call the issue. So that would need to be detailed in a few lines, maybe a paragraph. Followed by what we call a statement of facts. This would be the issues as they've been reported and that can be verified. And what I mean by that is that it's been backed up by more than one source. So they are facts, known facts. These can't be juggled with or played with. They are actual statements of facts that you can deal with specifically. Then you'd have an analysis of those facts, and the situation being that the bank was robbed, for example, and the assailants were, and the bank members were, and the people and the witnesses were. And all of these would be verified by names, specific names, times, etc. So the information would be there. Then it would be analysed. What does the legal firm believe are the possible routes of action or steps they can take? And then finally, there would be a section what we call recommendations. The lawyers will come to some form of conclusion and say, these are what we believe in our expertise are the steps that should be taken to solve this particular problem.